Yes, guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. I hope you guys did like the last video. Did you check this? And what was the result?
We can see the result here.
We can? I don't see anywhere you check it.
We already cut out the piece that I checked.
How much a pound for this? Is that a good price? You know, Craig said that yam in Montego Bay is for $100 a pound. Do you know what 100 Jamaican dollar value in the US? $100 Jamaican? Nope. 100 Jamaican values 100 some cents. 100 Jamaican dollar value like 35 cents US or less. Our dollar don't value. Our dollar don't have any value, man. Currency is bad.
You know what time it is, your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook. I mean, yard eat for your yard.
Yeah, we can cut this one right here. We gotta cut your fingers. And now we're gonna take them and put them over here. How long does it take to cook?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm-hmm.
Thought you was a chef. How long does yellow yam take to cook?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Yellow yam cook within about 35-40 minutes. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Dumpling. Just like that. About that much should be good. Not gonna make a lot. Some cornmeal in there. I like a lot of cornmeal in my dumpling, so a little bit more. Some salt. Salt finish?
No, there's another one. Is that
Yep, yeah. We have some salt, so we're gonna put just more salt in there. Put the rest in the pot. Need to put, see how much salt I got. Salt almost finished.
There's another one in the cabinet.
Salt finish.
There's another salt in the cabinet.
I'm gonna need to get me a salt.
The salt is in the cabinet.
Really? So here we start off with a mixer. We'll mix it. Start off mixing it. But that wind is so strong outside. Okay. Do you know how to bake?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to make buttermilk bread?
Yes.
Because I want you to make a buttermilk bread. Okay?
You just read the instructions on the box.
No. We are gonna make an authentic buttermilk bread, okay? From scratch. We're not gonna make nothing from a box. We're gonna make it from scratch, just like I'm making this dough right here. From scratch. See that? That's from scratch. Add some water. Just turn it around. Oh man, it's windy today. Is it gonna snow today?
No.
Huh?
No.
It's not gonna snow. When is our next snow? Aren't we due for another one? We have one snow so far. It's time for us to get another snow, right?
No.
Hmm?
No.
What do you mean no?
I don't like snow.
You don't like snow?
Not a real Jamaican.
Well, you live in a snow country, so you have to embrace the snow.
I embrace no snow.
Hey, look, I saw Swishan son in the snow the other day, and he was playing in the snow, and he was like, "Ooh, the snow feels so good. I love the snow." And you know, in Jamaica, there's no snow, right? So he came up here. I don't know where he at, what state, but he saw the snow for the first time. And man, he went off into that snow. He was happy to see the snow for the first time. So you know, a lot of people around the world only saw snow on movies, right? So when they come over to,
like if you're at the equator,
huh?
if you're near the equator,
Well, everybody in the Caribbean is by the equator, right?
not just the Caribbean, it's around. Like
What about Africa?
it depends on where you live. If
Yeah,
you
I
live
mean, a
close
lot
to
of
the
people-
equator,
A lot of people live in places that doesn't have any snow. Majority of people, I don't really snow. What about the Middle East? Do we get snow in Damascus?
If it's close to the equator, then probably not. The further you get from the equator, the more likely you're gonna have fluctuating temperatures.
So, question for you: would you rather live close to the equator or close to the pole?
I wouldn't want to live close to either one.
Really? So, what type of temperature are you looking for?
Right in the middle.
See, what temperature? We're talking about 60 degrees Fahrenheit.
No, I'll get some snow sometimes, and then just half and half. Because when you live near the equator, then you have hurricanes and all this other stuff, all these little storms, and
But some people,
I don't like the cold temperature.
but some
all the
people,
time.
some people love hurricanes, especially in Jamaica.
I don't.
People love hurricane in Jamaica. People love storm, hurricane. You know why they do? Well, not
People
everybody.
don't love it. People are just excited by it.
People just use it for an opportunity. You know what opportunity brings? Do you know what opportunity the hurricane brings in the Caribbean?
Rain.
It brings the opportunity of knocking people's place down. So some of the people them that was less fortunate can run into the rich people place and take out their stuff. Do you remember Gilbert?
No.
Okay, so there's a hurricane in Jamaica called Gilbert, okay? That hurricane came, I believe, in 1988. I was a little boy going to school back then when the hurricane came, right? And everybody that didn't have a TV or television, guess what? Have a television after the storm, after the hurricane passed. So, you see, there are some people who like it. There are some people who like the opportunity that the hurricane brings. I heard some people didn't have a house. And when the hurricane passed, guess what? They built a new house. Now, it's traumatic for some people who already have the stuff and then lost it in the hurricane.
People that died.
Well, there were some traumatic incident, unfortunate events that happened along the way. But, that's what hurricane does. Reap havoc. So, you want to live somewhere like in Florida? Florida has nice weather, Miami and all that good stuff.
We have all the hurricanes too in Florida.
Yeah, but forget about the hurricane. What about the beach and the pretty water and the nice scenery?
There's alligators and all kinds of snakes. And
Talking about
weird
the
stuff.
Everglade?
I don't like to be around.
You don't like the Everglade?
I like to be around certain dangerous animals.
It's
where in certain places
Do
it's
you know-
normal for a snake to just be in your backyard. I don't do those things.
Can I ask a question? Do you know that there are people who leave America and go all the way to Africa to see exotic animals?
Yeah.
Snakes, tigers, lions, zebras, all that stuff, right? And they go to the zoo. They go to the zoo to see these things, right? So if you live in Florida, you got alligator and all that stuff. Ain't like having the zoo in your backyard.
Some people like to live on the edge. I'm not one of those people.
Hold on. So let me ask a question. Would you go hiking?
Hiking, sure, but
Would you go hiking in the woods?
yeah, with a big group of people.
A big group?
Yeah.
Yeah, but white people only carry 2 people. White people get. What about climbing, rock climbing?
Nope, definitely not.
You would do rock climbing?
Definitely not.
Okay, what about skydiving?
You know, I don't know.
Skydiving look fun, right?
It looks fun, but I don't know because you have to time it just right.
So,
pull the
but
parachute.
I've seen.
Parachute stuff is what's just.
Have you ever seen a parachute failure before?
Yeah.
They pulled the parachute and it didn't came out, and the guy fall all the way to the ground.
Yeah.
That's really traumatic. And you know the lucky thing about it, some people survive it.
Yeah, I seen
I have no idea how they do it, but some people survive it. And we're talking about jumping out like so high up, maybe thousands of feet, and coming down in trees and
Well, they say if you
falling
fall-
to the ground.
They say if you fall in a tree, it's worse.
In the trees.
Yeah.
You fall in the tree, the worst.
Yeah, you're falling in a tree from so far up.
You don't think the tree? You don't think the tree?
You're not gonna break your fall that much. It depends if
You don't think the tree break the fall?
depends. That's
Yeah,
gonna be
let's
some-
open the pot and see what's going on
some
here.
really dangerous bruises.
This thing is going slow. All right. So you believe that?
Imagine falling on a tree limb from thousands of feet in the air. You wouldn't think you break some ribs and everything, and probably your whole you have so much internal bleeding. You probably die from that anyways.
So you believe that falling to the ground is better than falling in the trees?
Not to the ground, but I don't know. I don't know where to fall. That's a
What about water?
water from falling from that height. It still feels like the same as the ground. You still die, and what's worse is you would drown instead.
So pick a choice. You're either going to be falling in the tree.
And then imagine you fall in the ocean. All kind of wildlife in the ocean. You don't know how far you are from land. I think that's worse. Then you either if you survive, you might die from hypothermia, or you'll drown or something.
So, but the water is like a cushion.
No, it's not. Have you ever got on a diving board and jumped off? You don't feel how the water like slaps your skin when you drop in the water.
So all you gotta do is just make sure you come down like a diving board. You wanna hit the water from from your head down.
It's gonna feel the same as the ground. Promise you, from such a height.
Really?
Of course.
So you have no choice in where you fall. Really? No water, no trees.
I watched a video on YouTube on how to survive it.
You watch a video of how to survive what?
Falling out of an airplane without a parachute.
Okay, what the video says you must do.
I forget. It said something about curling up your body, or you try to turn upwards where like your legs would be crushed instead of your head. But
Really?
yeah, when you're free falling, you don't have that much control over how you land.
Really? So, would you be doing any skydiving in that case?
I don't know.
Really? So, what would you do for fun? Would you won't climb a rock? What about zip lining?
Zip lining, I've done zip lining.
Would you go on a cable and slide across a mountain from one mountain to the next on a cable?
No.
You know the people go on a mountain and they run the cable across from one mountain to the other? They call it cliffhangers.
I would not do that.
Okay. How about Would you go in a fishing boat out in the water to fish and where there's no land behind you?
No.
All you can see is just the water around you.
No.
I'm talking about 360 degrees ocean
No.
in a fishing boat. Really?
No.
Are you scared of the water?
Scared of the animals in the water.
Okay, what about scuba diving? Would you scuba diving and for fish?
Scuba diving.
Yeah, where you put on the goggles on the tank on your back. You jump off in the water and you go shoot fish with a fish gun. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put them in here.
I don't like being in
So we're gonna add dumpling to the pot now. So no scuba diving? What do you do?
all that stuff sounds very dangerous.
Man.
Even scuba diving, because they're normally in the water with all kinds of different fish and all kinds of stuff.
Scuba diving is fun.
And even if you step on a rock, you never know, because there's also fish that I don't know if you know those fish. Those fish that are camouflaged as rocks. You step on them, they have a dangerous toxin.
You mean like a puffer fish?
No, not those. Those are the fish that when they sense danger, they blow up like a porcupine.
Question: Would you do wildlife biology?
Wildlife biology.
Yeah, like
fish.
wildlife handlers and biology, whatever that is.
Yes.
In school, something like Jeremy Wade. You know Jeremy Wade? Jeremy Wade has a, what they call it again, fishing monster. What's his show called? Fishing monster.
He just catches fish and
Throw them back.
yeah.
Yeah, but he just show
And
that.
usually, like, you know, he gets called in certain places where like
Fish
something is.
talking to people and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jeremy Wade. So it's called extreme wildlife something biology something. So you say you would do that, right?
No.
What would you do? Would you be a school teacher?
I wouldn't save these people.
Huh?
I'm gonna save people from dangerous animals.
Really? Okay, we're gonna cover this up and let it cook down a little bit, and at the same time we're gonna show the people my chicken. Over here we have some fried chicken, golden brown fried chicken, guys. Coat them down, season them up, dip them in some egg, flour them, fry them. Jamaican style French fried chicken right there. Yep, if you guys want to see how to make the Jamaican style French fried chicken, let me know. Down here in the oven, we have some, what we call this?
Barbecue.
This right here is jerk chicken glazed down with glazed sauce on top of the jerk chicken. So this jerk chicken right here, it doesn't have that fiery pepper. It has some pepper to it, but it's not really that hot. So it has a sweet taste along with pepper. It's like having a little bit about, you know, a little bit of pepper and a little bit of sweet. So it's like half and half. You understand? So you got that sweet taste and that pepper taste together, which give you that perfect taste. You get it? So yeah, we have some jerk chicken and some fried chicken, guys. Look at our chicken together. This is our jerk. This is our fried chicken. Side by side. Yes, looking good. Delicious food right here. Okay, guys. Put some oil in here. There we go. Oil. Okay, guys, we have the ACKEE right here. Let's go ahead and unlock it. You know what this is? Yeah, it is ham. Do you like ham? You don't? I don't know what you like. You're a hard person to please. You know that? Let's go over the pot. Yeah. Something always is good. That's what it means, right? So the oil turn that brownish color. You know why that happens? Because they cure the with sugar. You see that? You can tell the arm is being cured with sugar. So it is the sugar that caramelizes the oil to turn this color, because the arm is cured with brown sugar. That's what is being activated right now in the oil. Not gonna use all of that tonight. Here we have some onion, some scallion, along with our ham. All together, mix it. Nice. Go ahead. And add the ackee in at this time. Got some water in it. So move the water. Need no water for it. Alright guys. So here's our ackee, guys. And we have some thyme with the ackee. And we have the ham in here. Onion, as you can see, is all delicious. Paula, you smell that smell? Yes, guys. That's a smell to be remembered. Here we go, guys. Guys, at this time, we're gonna put a little black pepper. Just a little bit. Just go lightly with the black pepper. Give it a little taste, just like that. Let's put a little bit on it. Here we go. Yes, guys, today we have a lot of stuff going on. We have the Jamaican ackee right here, and we have the ham in there cooking down. We know you're used to the saltfish, but today we're using ham. And over here we have the fried chicken already sitting on the side over there. And here we have the food, the dumpling and the yellow yam cooking down right there. So cover this thing up. Over here, just two cups of rice cooking, not much rice. Cooking on with some butter so it's going to taste nice. And down here we have some jerk chicken. You see me? Some jerk chicken. Seem like Alexia start eat already, so some of them missing. You see it? See a few of the chicken missing from this side? Yeah, it was so palatable and flavorsome, so she couldn't stand the resistance. You have to go in and start to eat. Tell the people them what go on. Wanna see?
We got our jerk chicken here, white rice, ackee and ham, our fried chicken, and our yam and dumplings. And we're about to plate now.
Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, you know I like my Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, so first thing first, put my dumpling in my plate. One is supposed to be suffice. Some people like to put out 3 of them, but yam and a dumpling, that's good for me. Maybe go with 2 pieces of yam. Yeah man, kinda love the yams. So me take 2 pieces of yams. And this is yellow yams right there. What do you want in your plate? Tell me what you want in your plate. You want dumpling?
1 dumpling.
Big or small? Small? Dumpling? You want some yam?
Small one.
You want this one? This looks small.
That one.
Like this one? This is nothing. That's what you want,
I
really?
was eating chicken. That hungry yet.
Alright, so you need some rice? No rice? For you?
I have to wait. I have to wait until.
Wait for what?
Until the chicken goes down.
The chicken goes down? What are you talking about, young lady? Alright, so no rice for you? You just want food?
Yes.
Okay, so alright, let me fix this plate. So let me go ahead and put some ackee. What does this look?
It's good.
We got the ham and the ackee in here. Let's put some ackee in the plate. Yeah, right there. Put a piece of ham in there too. Yeah, that looks good. Yep. That looks good over here. Okay, so what do you want in yours? Chicken? What do you want in yours?
Ackee.
You want ackee too? Okay, put some ackee in there. What else? You need
Jerk
chicken? You need jerk chicken? Okay.
One jerk.
Chicken wing, chicken wing. Chicken wing right here. What else?
And fried
You
rice.
want to fry? So we have the jerk. We have the fried chicken. So put it over here. So we have the jerk chicken, fried chicken. That's it. Anything else you need?
No.
You good?
Yeah.
What about rice? You don't want a rice?
No, not yet.
We have rice right here. So if you want to put some rice in the plate, we can put some rice in the plate. It's not a big. Let's get the rice. Let's get a spoonful of rice on the plate. Where's mine? This one? So put just a little bit of rice in here. There we go. Not too much rice. So a little bit of rice in here. I may have to put back a piece of yam because I have the rice now. So I may just go ahead and put the yam back. That should be good for me. And probably take a piece of chicken right there. Okay guys, thank you for hanging out with us today in the kitchen. As you can see guys, we have a good amount of food here. We have jerk chicken, we have fried chicken, we have yam dumpling and banana, and we have rice and ackee and ham, and it's just a lot of good stuff today guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and you walked through step by step what we did. If you guys miss out anything, like didn't know how to do the jerk chicken or didn't know how to do the fried chicken, guys, go on the channel and go down in the other videos and you can see jerk chicken, how to do your jerk chicken, and anything you miss on this video, there are other videos on the channel that shows you how to do it step by step. So let's go through the other videos and you can find what you're looking for. Thank you for being here with us guys. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Remember guys, thumbs the video ups. When you watch the video guys, just give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot. Thumbs up the video allow YouTube algorithm to suggest the video to other viewers and subscribers just like yourself. So it's very supporting of the channel when you do that guys. I really appreciate it when you did that. Thumbs the video up, share the video, support the channel. Thank you for being here and stay tuned. The black cake still coming up. We have that in the prepping process right now for you too. Thank you for being here. Bye bye. Peace.